Hello guys, welcome to my blog. This is ekphpblog.blogspot.com, and as you might have guessed from the name, this blog is all about PHP. Here I'm going to teach you PHP, I'm going to solve your problems, and everything is for free. So if you have purchased this tutorial from some site, you have been cheated. You can just visit my site ekphpblog.blogspot.com and you can download this tutorial with several other tutorials for free. Okay, so this is the first tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how you can install PHP in your computer, because we will need PHP installed in our systems to work with it. Okay, for this I'm going to use a package called AppServe. It's a wonderful package, and along with PHP, this package installs Apache, which is a web server, MySQL, which is a database, and PHPMyAdmin, which manages your databases. I mean, the software with which you can manage your database in your computer. Okay, to download this, you can visit my site and just find this link which says download AppServe package. Sorry, and when you click on it, this package will be downloaded to your PC. When it's done, just double click on it and the setup will load. Here we go. Okay, once it's done, just click next. Then this is the license. If you have time, you can read it. We don't have that much time so I'll just click on I agree. Okay, here you can set the destination folder where this package will be installed. I'm setting it to D drive. Okay, now click next. Okay, one thing more I want to tell you, that do not uncheck any of the boxes here until you know what you are doing, because we will need each and everything which is mentioned here later in the later stages. So just click next. Okay, here you can mention anything. I'm typing localhost and administrator's email address. You can mention your own email address. I'm just typing localhost at localhost. Okay, one more thing I want to make clear. If you have IIS running on your PC, or you have installed IIS on your PC, you please change this port number to some different port like 81 or 82, because IIS will be running by default on port 80, and if you install Apache on port 80, it will screw up your IIS configuration and then your IIS won't work. So just change the port number here and click next. Okay, this is the MySQL configuration. So just type your MySQL password here. You can leave it blank if you want, but for security I will type an password. One more thing, the password which you type here, you must remember it, because we will need this password later on when we will start the when I'll teach you the connectivity of PHP with MySQL. So please do not forget this password, or you will have to reinstall the whole package again. Okay, now click on install and the installation will start. It will take just 2 minutes. If you get some error over here, you can take a screenshot and you can send it to me, and then I'll take a look at it and I'll come up with a solution. I'll try to come up with a solution. It's installing MySQL. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, start Apache, start MySQL, leave them both checked and click on finish. It's starting Apache now, which is our web server. Okay, it's done. So to ensure that the package has been correctly installed on your PC, just go to your web browser and type localhost, and if you have installed it on some other port, I mean the port other than 80, so type the port number like port 81 or 82. Sorry, 82. We have done it on port 80, so I'll just type localhost and click enter. And if you see this screen, this means that your package has been correctly installed and you're ready to go. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and I'll come up with more tutorials soon. You can post your problems on the blog and I'll try to solve them as soon as possible. Bye bye.